So in this series of converting leak detections into repairs, we have a leak detection that we performed down in Beverly Hills, California. Just this pool spa combination. We did all our listening. We show you a lot of those videos, so we're going to actually jump that and we're going to show you. So we heard a leak in a line with our pipe mic, but now we're going to show you how we just backed ourselves up, injecting air and water, got it to boil, marked our location, cut the deck, and did the repair. So check it out. So we have a fully tiled, both pool spa combination, attached spa, kind of designed pretty cool. So here's a return line. We're injecting from the other return line. It's all capped off at the equipment, so we're injecting air and water while we listen with our deck plate. Again, this is a two-man job. One guy's running the rig, one guy's listening with the deck plate. When we hear what we need to do with our deck plate, we're going to point out that the leak is literally right behind this return, which we heard with our pipe mic when we were listening at first. We always like to back ourselves up. So now we're going to cut the deck. We're going to chip it all out, get down to what we need to get to, and here you're going to see the pipe leaking. This is just from the weight of the water pushing out. This is cracked at the PVC fitting. It's at the 45 and it's rushing forward. This is how we just cut that leak out, and again, we're going to install a plumber's loop to do the repair. So we're going to cut out a section. We're going to stub those both up. Take a look and see the cracked pipe. This is very common in what we see, whether it's at a 45, 90, or whatever it is. We're going to stub both our lines up and install a loop that's going to bridge across it, and that repair is going to be done. So that's how we got this job done. Again, we kind of rushed it just to get you to the point of the actual repair. Just to know that when we find these leaks, when we find any leak in a plumbing pipe, it's always going to be at the fitting. Unless it's freeze damage, other than that, it's always going to be at a 45 and 90, a coupling, etc. For more information, check out our website, www.LeakTronics.com, and check out all of our videos on our LeakTronics YouTube channel.